I'm gonna show y'all how to change it. See this thing right here? 2017 Sonata. You just pop this off right here. You got 3 screws. Take those 3 screws out. I already loosened this one. Bam. Let me see if I can get the other 2 while holding this camera. $10mm. Stick it on there like so till it get loose. Then spin it off. Yeah, clumsy. I'm clumsy. I might drop it down in there, but I'm trying not to. What we got? This one right here is probably already loose. No. 10mm. Like so. Screw it off. This one will give me a hard time. Hold on. See if I can hold it. Bam. Once you get all the 3 screws out, you just pull it. It comes out like so. Now, there's a little plug up under here somewhere hiding. And remove this rubber. Give it some influence. I have to influence it a little bit. Come on up. There you go. Here's the button. So the button on here. Hold on a second. I just took the key and pressed on the other side. It's on this button. It just pops out like so. There's the broken mirror. Plug the new one up. And we're gonna see the new one comes with this little screws is already on it, so I'm gonna bag these 3 screws out, put it in place, and get back to you in a minute. All right, I'm working with one hand, so just give me a minute. Okay, I got the screw in it to hold it. See, that's the new mirror. I'm just gonna put these back on, like so. When you get a new mirror, it comes with new screws, so if it don't go, if it don't fit when you're trying to put it back, just keep in mind you might have to remove the new screws. Like I say, you got a 10mm. I like using these. Nice and snug. Get to the one at the bottom. Oh, technical difficulty. As you see, I got all the new screws in place. There's 3 of them, 10 millimeters. And you take this back. Snaps on like so. Everything nice and neat. There's the new mirror. Here's the old one. Quickly crack it up. No more good. You're gonna have 3 screws left. That's 2. Here's the other one. Like I said, all you need is a 10 millimeter. You can take your hand and pop this off. 10 millimeter, remove the bolts. Just pull on the wire a little bit. The wire's gonna come up. I use the key to unplug it, but you can use your finger or whatever. But there you have it. New mirror. Good to go. Let's see if it's gonna work. Works fine. There you have it. 2017 Sonata, how to remove the right side passenger side mirror.